Introduction. Brief history of Ferrari. Ferrari is a luxury sports car manufacturer based in Maranello, Italy. It was founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1947 and is one of the most recognizable and successful brands in the automotive industry. Ferrari started as a racing team in the 1940s and quickly gained recognition for its impressive performances in motorsports events. In the 1950s and 60s, Ferrari expanded into road cars and introduced iconic models such as the 250 GT, Daytona, and GTO. In the following decades, Ferrari continued to push the boundaries of technology and design, producing some of the most iconic and luxurious sports cars in the world. Today, Ferrari is considered one of the leading luxury car brands, known for its high-performance vehicles and cutting-edge technology. The legacy of Ferrari continues to influence the car industry, inspiring other manufacturers and capturing the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world. Importance of Ferrari in the car industry. Ferrari is considered one of the most important brands in the automotive industry due to its impact on the design, engineering, and technology of sports cars. Ferrari's reputation for producing high-performance vehicles has made it a benchmark for other manufacturers in the industry, inspiring them to create their own luxury sports cars. Ferrari's innovative spirit has led to many firsts in the car industry, such as the introduction of the first mid-engine road car and the use of carbon fiber in car construction. The company's long and successful history in motorsports has also made it a symbol of speed and performance, further solidifying its place as one of the most important brands in the car industry. 2 Early years. Enzo Ferrari's early life. Enzo Ferrari was born on 18 February 1898 in Modena, Italy. He was the son of a metal fabricator and showed an interest in cars and racing from a young age. He began working as a test driver for a car manufacturer in his early 20s and eventually became the race team manager. In 1929, he formed the Scuderia Ferrari racing team, which became one of the most successful teams in motorsports. Despite his success, Ferrari had a difficult personal life, losing his father and son at a young age and facing financial difficulties throughout his career. Despite these challenges, Ferrari's passion for cars and racing never wavered, and he eventually founded the Ferrari company in 1947. Throughout his life, Ferrari remained closely involved in the company's operations and continued to push the boundaries of car design and engineering. Design and engineering. Formation of Ferrari. The formation of Ferrari took place in 1947 when Enzo Ferrari officially founded the company in Maranello, Italy. Prior to this, Ferrari had been involved in the racing industry for many years, operating the Scuderia Ferrari racing team and building sports cars for other manufacturers. The formation of Ferrari marked the beginning of his own independent car manufacturing company, which he built from the ground up. Initially, Ferrari focused on building sports cars for the road, but it quickly expanded into the racing world, continuing the legacy of the Scuderia Ferrari racing team. Over the years, Ferrari has grown and evolved, becoming one of the leading luxury sports car brands in the world. Today. First Ferrari car. The first Ferrari car was the 125 Sport, which was unveiled in 1947. This car was the result of Enzo Ferrari's passion for racing and his desire to build high-performance sports cars for the road. The 125 Sport was powered by a 1.5-liter V12 engine and was capable of reaching top speeds of over 90 miles per hour. This car marked the beginning of Ferrari's journey as a car manufacturer, and it set the tone for the company's focus on performance and innovation. Over the years, Ferrari has continued to build on the legacy of the 125 Sport, producing some of the most iconic and powerful sports cars in the world. Today, Ferrari is still known for its commitment to high-performance vehicles, and its cars continue to be sought after by car enthusiasts and collectors around the world. The first Ferrari car, the 125 Sport, will always be remembered as a landmark moment in the history of the brand and the car industry as a whole. 3. Rise to fame. Ferrari's early success in motorsports. Ferrari's early success in motorsports was a crucial factor in establishing the brand's reputation for performance and excellence. Prior to the formation of the Ferrari company in 1947, Enzo Ferrari had already established a successful racing team, the Scuderia Ferrari, which was known for its impressive performances in motorsports events. When he founded the car manufacturing company, Ferrari brought this expertise and passion for racing with him, and it quickly became evident in the company's cars. Ferrari's early sports cars were designed with performance in mind and were used in racing events around the world. Expansion into road cars. Ferrari's expansion into road cars marked a significant moment in the company's history, as it marked a shift from a focus on racing to a focus on building high-performance sports cars for the road. Initially, Ferrari built sports cars specifically for the racing circuit, but as the company grew and evolved, it began to see the potential in the market for luxury sports cars. In the late 1950s, Ferrari introduced its first road car, the 250 GT, which was designed to provide the high-performance driving experience of a race car but with the comfort and amenities of a road car. Comfort and amenities of a road car. Iconic models of the 50s and 60s. The 1950s and 60s were a golden era for Ferrari, and during this time the company produced a number of iconic models that are still remembered and celebrated today. Some of the most famous models of this era include the 250 GT, the 250 California, and the 275 GTB. These cars were characterized by their elegant designs, high-performance engines, and exceptional handling. They were also equipped with advanced features and amenities, making them some of the most luxurious sports cars of their time. These iconic models of the 1950s and 60s helped to establish Ferrari as a leader in the car industry and to cement its reputation for producing high-quality, high-performance vehicles. 4. Ferrari in the modern era. Technological advancements in Ferrari cars. Ferrari's commitment to innovation and performance is reflected in the company's investment in technological advancements for its cars. Throughout its history, Ferrari has been at the forefront of automotive technology, introducing a range of cutting-edge features and systems that have set the standard for the industry. From the introduction of the first mid-engine road car in the 1960s to the development of advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials in more recent years, Ferrari has always been at the forefront of innovation. The company's investment in technology has enabled it to produce cars that are faster, lighter, and more aerodynamic than ever before. This has helped to ensure that Ferrari cars remain some of the most highly sought-after and respected vehicles in the world. In new technologies and innovations. Iconic models of the 90s and 2000s. The 1990s and 2000s saw Ferrari introduce a range of iconic models that would come to define the brand and establish it as one of the leading names in the car industry. During this time, Ferrari introduced a number of new models that were designed to meet the changing needs and preferences of car enthusiasts and collectors around the world. These models combined classic Ferrari style and performance with modern technologies and